Good morning, student. Today I will deal about the leprosy. Leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease, is a long-term infectious disease which is generally caused by Mycobacterium leprae or Mycobacterium lepromatosis. This infection is lead to the damage of our nervous system, especially on the respiratory tract, skin, and eyes. And this nerve damage uh, may result in lack of ability to feel pain, which can lead to the loss of part of person's extremities from repeated injuries or infections due to unnoticed wound. What causes it? So the leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae, and this is rod-shaped structure bacteria, and this one is first bacterium disease in found in a human. Mode of transmissions: the leprosy is transmitted through commonly among people who are living in a poverty because of the unhygienic conditions, and also the spreading is through uh, cough generally produced by the infected person. If healthy person is come on the contact on the producing on the infected cough or the sputums, that can be lead the leprosy to the healthy persons. And also the genetic factor and immune function is also play a vital role to transmitting this disease into the human. Now the incubation periods. So Mycobacterium leprae is multiply very slowly. Now their process of growth is very slow. That's why this disease is take a long time to appear their symptoms into the human body, approximately sometime 20 years, but approximately 1 to 7 year is their incubation period to producing any type of the symptoms. How the human body is affected by leprosy? So the Mycobacterium leprae into the Mycobacterium leprae infections, it is generally infection into the our nerve cells, that is damage the our nerves cells, and start their proceeding or infection process into the nerves by damaging the our nerve cells and breaking the nerves broken the nerves, and also creating a protrusion into the our body like lesions which cannot be treated, but which cannot be treated and which cannot be healed, and loss of sensation. Who is at risk? Now for this disease, the both sexes and all ages are affected, and in research that is found the 95% people who are exposed from this disease that do not develop the diseases, mainly that affect the our skins, eyes, peripheral nervous systems, and mucosa of the upper respiratory tract. What are the type of this leprosy? So there is a three types of leprosy. First one is a leperomatous or leprosy, that is damage the respiratory damage our respiratories respirations mucus, nerves, eyes nerves and skins. And tuberculoid, that affect the nerves in our finger and toes, that is sensory nerves damaged from this disease and our surrounding the skins. So that is a multibacillary leprosy, that also called is MB in short. And borderline, that is BL, has affected from the both type of the infections. What are the signs? How we can we know the leprosy? So large bumps on the skin that do not feel pain. If uh, if uh, person having the large bump on their skin, but they having not feeling of pain or any kind of sensations, and large bump and skin that do not heal for week or a month. If having any bumps or protrusion or lesions on the skin, but that cannot be healed or any few months or weeks. Muscles weakness due to the nervous system damaging or the sensory loss, and disappearance of eyebrows or eyelashes because of the infection. So these all are the sign of the leprosy. What are the symptoms? So Mycobacterium leprae is multiplies very slowly. Their growing process is very slow. That's why leprosy is take a long time take a long time to show their symptom. Generally, approximately 1 to 7 years they have to taken. So there is in two types we can see the symptoms of leprosy. So first is possible possibacillary, that means PB. So leprosy symptoms are in this first type. First one is skin lesions and are the numbed. So if the persons are having or affected by the possibacillary PB leprosy, the person having the skin on the skin the large size of the bumps or and in skin lesions that of but uh, totally loss of sensations. Multibacillary, that leprosy in this type of leprosy the symptom is arise same stuffy nose and many skin lesions. Because of this type of the leprosy is affect the our respiratory mucosa, that's why cause the stuffy nose and many skin lesions and nodules both side of the body. Here some pictures we can see and understand how uh, the leprosy symptoms are seen. So first one is hand deformed by the leprosy because of the loss of sensations and totally infectious our nerves. Second picture is skin lesions on the thighs of person with leprosy, and third one is possibacillary leprosy, that means PB. That symptom is shown on the skin, that is pale skin patches with the loss of sensations. Some types and another symptoms have we can saying the number of numbness or tingling in the hand or feet due to the loss of sensation or due to the damage of our sensory nerves. Weakness of hand, feet, of eyelids because of the leprosy is almost affect in our eyelids, and oculomotor nervous systems. That's why painless wound or burn on hand or feet. Dark skinned pupil might have light patches on the skin. White pale skinned pupil have darker on reddish patches. Painful nerves, loss or decrease of sensation in the skin patches, swelling or lumps in the face on earlobes. And this is the exactly showing the symptoms of leprosy. See the patches. Now what is the diagnosis of leprosy? How we diagnose the leprosy, having the persons having the leprosy? So first one is hyperpigmented or reddish skin. Before I was explained, and lesions with definitive loss of senses. And if any persons or if any patients having this, so we can say the leprosy is having damage to peripheral nerves, because due to damaging of peripheral nerves, that is creating a loss of sensation and weakness of muscles of hand or feet or face, and positive skin smear test that is also confirmed the diagnosis of leprosy. How can you avoid getting leprosy? So uh, only the firstly if avoiding the close contact with the patients who having suffering from the leprosy. Is there a cure? Yes, it is a curable with the MDT therapies, that is multi drug therapy, and the treatments have include the dapsons and clofimine together. These two medicine are very effective for to cure the leprosy. MDT, the MDT is a multi drug therapy which is combinations of rifampicin, clofazimine, and dapsone for ambi-leprosy patients, and rifampicin and dapsones for PB leprosy patients. So among these, rifampicin is the very important anti-leprosy drugs, and therefore is included in the treatment of both type of leprosy. So MDT is a combination of the generally rifampicin, clofazimine, and dapsones for dapsones. And MB and PB patients having the only in MB patient and in MB leprosy patients using the rifampicin, clofazimine, and dapsones medicine, but in PB leprosy patients only using the rifampicin and dapsones medicines. Uh, the guidelines is given by the WHO. The recommended three drug regimen or rifampicin, dapsone, and clofazimine for all the leprosy patients with the durations of 6 months. That means the treatment is continuing for the 6 month for PB leprosy, but MB leprosy, this medicine, the three component of medicine is continuing for the 12 month till the cure moment. Now the disability due to the leprosy, some kind of disabilities uh, are seen in the patients of leprosy. First one is loss of sensation and deformities of hand, feet, eyes. Because of loss of sensations, that means that will also create a totally disrupt the functions of extremities, and totally paralysis can be occurred by the loss of sensation, and secondly the deformities in hand, feet, and eyes. But in the condition of if the late diagnosis and late treatment with MDT is getting started, and advanced disease, that means ambileprosy, if the patients have suffering the ambileprosy, and leprosy reaction with involved nerves, if the patient having leprosy but the all over nerves are damaged, that's why the disabilities are occur. And lack of information on the how to protect sensitivity part in sensitive parts. So but in research that is reported, only 10 to 50% of leprosy affected persons develop this kind of the disability. So only the 10 to 15% of leprosy affected pupils have having these two kind of the disabilities. So this is all over about leprosy, their treatment and their management. Thank you.